Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with AWS. In the last videos we discussed about compute services, in that case EC2, but today we are going to talk about storage one. And the main service for this is S3, but what S3 means is simple storage service. This service will allow us to store all of our files or objects in the cloud in in an entity called bucket. So here in the AWS console, you can search for S3 and click on the first result. After it loads, it will bring the S3 console here, where you can see at this moment I have 0 buckets. So I'm going to create one bucket, which is an entity or an space in the cloud with an identifier, so I can start uploading my files in there, and also I can retrieve it from the AWS CLI or some other tools. Okay, let's go and create one bucket. Okay, my first bucket. I'm using US West, in this case is California. Okay, you can copy the existing data from another bucket, but this is not the case for this example. Okay, I'm going to block all access, all public access. I'm going to explain what this means in a later video. Okay, I'm going to enable the versioning for this bucket so I can have multiple versions of my bucket and retrieve the information from previous versions as well. I'm going to add one tag. As I mentioned in the other video, this is a best practice. You need to always use tags so you can identify all your objects in the cloud. Okay, I'm going to enable the encryption for my bucket. Okay, I let the default options here in advanced settings. I'm going to let the object lock disable. Then I'm going to create the bucket. Oh, mm, One thing that you need to know is that the identifier for the bucket should be unique for all the region. Okay, so I'm going to specify a random number here, and then I'm going to create the bucket. Okay, as you can see, here is my bucket that I just created. I'm going to click to see all the details. I can go to the properties here. You can see the region and the ARN, which is specific for this bucket, the tag that I put in the settings, and here we can see the permissions. As I specified during the creation process, I had blocked all the public access for this bucket. Okay, this is how you can create buckets in AWS from the AWS console. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos because I'm going to show you how to create buckets and other objects in the cloud from the CLI and also with Terraform. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.